in the 2017 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, universal garage door opener, leather shift knob. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.